Today I want to quickly show how you can use 3D printing to make and improve missing parts. My wife found this clamp at the thrift store, but it was missing a foot. That gives me the opportunity to make a new one with 3D printing. The first step is to break out some calipers and measure everything. Luckily the part is mostly made up of simple shapes, so I did some modeling and created some negative shapes for the holes. Then you group everything together and make it one part. These days you can print in a few different materials. There are some more exotic ones, but mostly I use one of four. I'm going to try PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. The easiest to print with is PLA. You don't need a machine with a heating bed or an enclosure. Before I got my current printer, this was my go-to. The first print in PLA looked great and pretty much immediately broke apart. 3D prints are weak along layer lines, and PLA prints can be really brittle. ABS is more flexible, but it has a tendency to shrink and warp if you don't have a machine with an enclosure that keeps the temperature constant. PETG has some of the properties of both. It's strong, it doesn't warp, it's a little flexible. It can be finicky to print though if you don't have a machine that can print hotter. The last and best option for this specific use is TPU. TPU is flexible. It's more like rubber than plastic, really. That brings its own set of issues when it's printing, but if you have the right settings on a good machine, it's pretty nice. After I had the fit right, I made a second one. Sometimes your print needs extra supports that you end up needing to remove, but that's nothing a little work can't fix. So now I have a nice clamp with new feet that are better than the ones that came with it. That's it for this week. Thanks for stopping by.